going on, everybody? It is Mr. Rock and Roll coming at you today with a little bit of Metallica. Now, Metallica. Hate Train, Beyond Magnetic. This literally just popped up today on my feed, on my YouTube things, recommendations. Hate Train, Beyond Magnetic. I've never heard this one. I don't even know what this, I guess this was like a one-off from that didn't make it on Death Magnetic, which I think it's a great album. I like at least 5 of those songs a lot. Never heard Hate Train, and y'all know me, I'm a rock and roll train rider. So let's jump on into some Metallica I've never heard. Super excited. Almost 7 minutes of a pure beast machine. I guarantee it. Let's go. All the way up. Yeah. No, I gotta hear that again. Oh my crap! Oh my lordy. Okay. Oh, leave it to Metallica to come up with that. Man, I'm gonna start a song with some killer solos, Shred Dead. And then we're going to jump right into that snare hit and then go! Oh, my God. Wait a minute.
Hate is a train. The thunder aims through my head. And hate is the fame. Chained to the wheel until I'm dead. Rage is a flame. Creates a touch to boil the seas. And rage is to blame. Forever sorry I shall be.
Oh my God. That is. That's crazy. I am telling you, man, that's oh God. I love every second.
Boil the seas, and rage is to blame. Forever
Here we go.
sorry I shall be. And from the darkness I descend, clenching a torch of sweet revenge. You took away to
That this song just like hit you with the left hook right there. Those lyrics are deep. And the fact that it's exceeded by success. That riff following those words, I can't even think. You took away tomorrow. Still I stand. You took away tomorrow, but still I stand. What? Somebody out there needed to hear that. I gotta hear that again. I keep rewinding. I'm so sorry. How? Why isn't this song on an album?
Straight down into the sorrow. Still I stand. Rare is the name, bringing supper unto you. And wrath takes the shame and holds me down until it's through. Ah! Ah! And from the darkness I descend, clenching a torch of sweet revenge. You took away tomorrow. Still I stand. Right into the sorrow. Still I stand. You took away tomorrow. Still I stand. I sink into the sorrow. Still I stand.
I heard it coming. You're doing that again. I'm pausing a lot. This song is so good. So good. Oh. Oh, man. They're switching it up again, but it still feels like the same song. Can't do that. It's not fair.